You may or may not be already familiar with Matterport's Showcase plugins. Now Matterport introduced a brand new plugin called Color Adjustments, and this one is really exciting. Whether or not you've already done any sort of color correction in any imaging application up until this point, you understand the value of being manually able to adjust the color. Sometimes color just doesn't come out quite the way you want it to. Or maybe it looks great, but by playing around and increasing the contrast and saturation, it looks even better. So I definitely recommend just opening up the plugin even if you're not sure you want to use it, just to see what it can do for you. Let's go ahead and check it out. If I'm in my model page right over here, and I'll go into the edit. Editing the model, I'm just going to go over here into plugins. And you can see now I have this color adjustment plugin. And for now, it doesn't matter what I'm looking at, but you definitely want to be in the direction of an area that you think can be improved upon. So I'll go ahead and turn on the adjustments. And instead of starting with exposure, I'm going to come right over here to contrast. And I highly recommend making small adjustments at first. Get to know this tool. So I'll just increase this by a little bit. And the highlights, I'm looking at the highlights up here and over here. If I move this a lot, you can see an extreme case of what it could do. I'll go in the other direction. That's no good. So I'm just going to move this up a little tiny bit. Shadows, I want to bring out some of the shadow detail, or maybe in your case you want to reduce that, increasing the contrast even further. Temperature, I personally like it a little bit on the warm side, so I'll bring this up over here. And saturation, again, just give it a little bit more color. So now when I'm done adjusting these, again, each one is just moved a little tiny bit. I can go up here to the color adjustments toggle, turn it off and turn it on. And you can see that the contrast is increased. The level of detail over here in this area is quite a bit different. Color on the walls is a lot more vibrant. And it's almost like I just removed a subtle haze that's been over the picture. So if I like that, I'll just go ahead and press save. If I don't, of course, I can tweak as much as I want, but we'll save this. And that's it. As I walk around, you'll see that the entire model has now been updated to reflect the Color Adjustments plugin. Again, I definitely recommend opening this up and just playing around a little bit, tweaking the adjustments here and there, and see what the Color Adjustments plugin can do for you. Hope that information was helpful, and we'll see you in the next video.